Kwa mũthaki wa timu ya bũrũri ya arume mũthako-inĩ wa irabu kana Morans Ariel Okal ni athamĩire kĩrabu-inĩ kĩa Nairobi City Thunder. Muoroto mũnene arĩ gũteithĩrĩria kĩrabu kĩu kũiyũkia ũhotani wa rigi ya KNBL kĩmera gĩkĩ. Okal na ũrĩa hau kabere wathakagĩra kĩrabu gĩa KPA akoretwo agĩthaka nja wa bũrũri imera ithano thiru na nĩ mũthaki wa ica ikuhĩ wa gĩkĩro gĩa kĩmabũrũri kũingĩra kĩrabu gĩa Thunders hamwe na irabu iria anathaka ni Dynamo BBC ya Burundi na kirafu gya Don Bosco Savio bũrũri-inĩ wa Tanzania.
We're happy to have Okal because Okal is a senior guy. He has a lot of experience, and we played together with KPA when I was playing. We won the championship together. That's why I want him here. That's why I want him to give these young guys some experience.
There's a lot of motivation on and off the cup. I want to play with the best guys on the floor. I'm not saying that KPA don't have the best guys, but I think being around young legs, in a great organization, and I have a lot of friends in Thunder, so I think I'm going to be in a good spot.